factors of the first number?
1 and 10.
1 and 10, and this is one that you're gonna have. You have multiple options for. Okay, so 1 and 10, or what?
2 and 5.
2 and 5. What about 18?
1 and 18 and 2 and 9.
3 and 6. 2 and 9. Okay, so in all reality, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 options that you could run through. Okay, so it's just a matter of trial and error and see what you can find. Okay, so what do you want to try? 1 and 10 first, or 2 and 5?
2 and 5.
2 and 5. Okay, with the 2 and 5, we can say X and X. What pair for the last do you want to try?
2 and 9.
2 and 9. Okay, so what would you get for the inner
10.
and the outer?
18.
Would a 10 and 18 work? No. Okay, so let's put 9 and 2. 45 and 4. Think it's gonna work? No. What do you want to try?
3 and 6.
3 and 6.
Yeah, 3 and 6.
Inside? 15 and 12. Would that give you 27? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, and how could I get a positive 27?
Plus.
Plus.
Plus B.
Okay, do we stop or keep going?
You keep going because it's a 0.
We gotta keep going. So we're gonna say 2x plus 3 equals 0. 5x plus 6 equals 0.
Add 3 to both sides.
Now add.
No, subtract.
Oh,
Subtract.
I knew it.
2x equals negative 3.
Divide.
And divide by 2. You alright?
Who is that? Reese over there calling?
He couldn't have got sick from the cold because he sure didn't walk to school yesterday. So.
I was actually sick as shit.
But it's his sister's fault. But he was really sick this time.
I threw up.
All the other 20
I threw up
times.
yesterday.
No.
Oh, you're looking real smiley for suddenly having the flu and throwing up yesterday. But okay.
Don't believe me. Only God's my witness and my mom.
Yeah, okay. Okay, and then divide by 5. Why are these both a fraction this time?
You can't simplify it.
Yeah, but why? Why are they both a fraction?
Because it was a positive.
No.
Dang.
At least you guessed. No.
No.
Okay, so see how up here, is this a 1? Is this a 1? When you divide by anything other than 1, chances are you're probably going to get a fraction, okay? If it says 1x plus 6, then it should be, then it would be 6, and then divide by 1, it's still 6, okay? So on this one, you have 2 fractions, and that's okay. The majority of the time, you're not going to, though, okay? Look at 3. What are some factors of our first number? 1 and 3. 1 and 3, m and m. What about the 2? Do you want to do 1 then 2 or 2 then 1? Huh? 1 and 2. What are you going to get for the inner?
3 and 2.
And a 2 on the outside. Yep. So we're going to have 3m squared, 2m, 3m, and a 2. How could I get a negative 1m?
Plus minus.
Huh?
Plus minus.
Plus minus. Okay, so how do I fill that in above?
Minus plus.
Minus plus. Do
And
we
that's
stop?
it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Why do we stop?
Because there's no 0.
There's no equals 0. What does equal 0 mean?
I don't know.
It means solve it. Solve it all the way through. Okay? Oh, am I boring you?
Oh.
Oh, because you sure was yawning like I'm boring you. I'm not boring.
Nah,
What? Don't talk about my love like that, man.
my bad.
Okay, draw your parentheses. We got 1 and 5, V and V. You want to try 1 then 3 or 3 then 1?
3 then 1.
What are you going to get for the inner?
15.
Is
Is that even close to 2?
1.
No, so that's not going to work. So we got to try 1 then 3. Okay, we multiply the first, the outer, the inner, and then the last. How could I get a positive 2?
Negative plus. I mean minus plus.
And then
Okay.
you fill that in as plus minus.
And we fill it in as plus minus.
Good job, Bill.
And then that's it.
That's it.
Thank you, Reese.
Can I scroll?
Yeah.
Okay, look at 7. Draw your parentheses. We got 1B and a 2B. You want to try 1 then 3 or 3 then 1?
3 then 1.
3 then 1? Remember how lost you guys were on the first day of this?
Very hard.
You guys get so upset.
I don't even understand what's going on.
I know, you're not supposed to. Alright, so multiply the first, the outer, the inner, and then the last. Okay, how could I get a negative 7 with a 6 and a 1?
Minus.
Minus.
But you gotta keep going.
Fill them in above. And we do, we gotta keep going. So we got 1B minus 3 equals 0. 2B minus 1 equals 0. See how this one is a 1B? And this one is a 2B? So that means that because this is a 1, that should be the one that probably has a whole number. Okay, the one that, if it's anything other than a 1 in front of the letter, then it's probably going to be the fraction 1.
Add 3 goes
Add 3,
down.
1b equals 3,
And then divide.
and divide by 1.
And then B equals 3.
b equals 3,
And then go to
Add
the
one
next
on each
one.
side.
add 1 on each side, 2b equals 1, divide by 2.
Equals 1/2. Good job at trading on James Bates.
What a nice compliment from Ronnie and Troy Jones Jr.
At least they come to school, but whatever.
I was sick yesterday.
Okay.
It just did.
That's crazy. You're sick once a week.
No,
At least,
I-
sometimes twice a week.
I- yesterday.
I know, that's what you said last week.
I did not say that last week. I came to school every day last week.
Yeah, okay.
Hey. So then,
I thought you was Malik, and I was like, you must have, you was about to get cussed out.
He wasn't about to miss game day.
No, I had to go read to some little kids.
was it fun?
Yeah.
Bro, you was on the little list?
You stutter.
Yeah.
Oh, that was nice of you, Lane. Oh, I took a little bit to you in.
Yeah.
I'm proud of you. I'll go back and then you can copy these ones down in a minute, okay?
Alright.
Lucky you got to miss.
Okay, look at 9.
Johnson's class.
Draw your parentheses. 1n, 5n. And then our factors of 4 are going to be 1 and 4, 2 and 2. What do you want to try?
4 and 1.
4 then 1?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Because
Why?
5 times 4 is 20.
5 times 4 is
Good
20, so that's
job,
pretty
Trey.
close.
Yeah.
Good job, Trey.
So 5n squared, 1n, 20n, and a 4. Okay, how can I get a negative 21?
Minus.
Minus minus. So how do I fill that in above?
Minus.
Minus minus.
Good
And
job.
then keep it like that.
What do you mean keep it like that?
Just keep it like that because they know
Just
0.
like equals 0.
No,
So
equals
circle.
0 so we can circle it, yep.
Good job, Ryan, the Troy Jones Jr.
Thank you, Reese Chris.